Tom Glazer, author of Full Heart Living, here with another nutritious yet delicious recipe. Try it out. We're going to start by making a version of an egg substitute. 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. And we're going to mix that with 5 tablespoons of water. I'm going to mix that up. You want it to sit for at least 5 minutes or so. Next, we'll add our dry ingredients. So this is 2 cups of just rolled oats, half a cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. This is about 1/3 cup of hemp hearts, half a teaspoon each of salt, baking soda, baking powder. And we just mix those up, set that aside for a moment. We'll mix our wet ingredients. This is 3/4 cup of almond butter, half a cup of honey. You could use maple syrup, or it's also an option to sweeten these cookies with dried fruit of your choice. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Our vegan egg substitute is ready. We're going to add that. And it smells so good, I gotta tell you. A nice stir. You know, it's some of my favorite ingredients here, right? Flax and almond butter, vanilla and honey. Can't go wrong. Okay, that's well mixed up. So I'm just folding the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. This does take a little bit of muscle power, nothing wrong with that. So I'm going to wet my hands a little bit. Keeps the dough from sticking a little bit on the hands. And you want about 3 tablespoons. Roll them up into a little ball. And then place it on the cookie sheet. So you want a little bit of space in between, but not as much as a traditional cookie. Put these into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, but you want to watch them really well at 15 so they don't burn. Let's take a bite of this breakfast cookie. It's packed with nutrition. It's actually more like a protein bar. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to Full Heart Living YouTube channel for more healthy recipes.